Hello everyone. Good morning all my lovely students. I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home also. Students, as we all know that we have already done our chapter 3, that is the clothes we wear. Now today we all are revising one more time this chapter. Okay, I will explain you each and everything. Now first is clothes in different seasons. So first before starting this lecture, just bring your book and keep it in front of you. Okay students. Now just look at here. I am reading here and you will read in your book. Clothes in different seasons. Just you can see here. Here are the few pictures of different types of clothes. This is shirt. What is this? This is shirt. SHIRT, shirt. And what is it? It is jeans. It is jeans. JEANS, jeans. Next is sweater. SWEATER, sweater. So now we will read in this chapter in different season which type of clothes we wear and why do we wear clothes and how they protect us, okay, and in which season we like to which type of clothes. So first I will revise you then different kinds of clothes. So students, first you should know then why should we wear clothes. Why should we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold and rain. Okay, and it protects us from small injuries such as insect bites, cuts and burrs. So students, so it is clear why we wear clothes. We wear clothes to protect our body. And now this time just clothes in different seasons. So first we should know what are seasons. This you can see here, one boy is standing, one girl is taking an umbrella, है ना? So different season means like summer season, winter season, rainy season. So during summer we wear light cotton clothes. Which type of clothes we like to wear in summer? Light color cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool. हमें ये क्यों पहनते हैं? Why we like it? We like cotton clothes because it keep us cool. And we also use sunglasses, hats and umbrellas to protect ourselves from the sun rays. You can see here in the first picture the boy is wearing a light cotton clothes. Just you can see here, boy is wearing light cotton knicker, half pant and t-shirt, and just look at this picture. This girl is protecting herself from sun rays by the help of umbrella. And just look at here, this is where she is wearing hat to protect herself from heat, sun rays. So during summer we like to swim in swimming pools. We wear a swimming costume in the swimming pool. Okay students, in summer which type of clothes we like to wear? We like to wear in summer cotton clothes, and we also use sunglasses, hats and umbrella to protect ourselves. So this is about summer season. Now we will talk about woolen clothes. Just look at here this picture. In this picture, two kids, one boy and girl, they are enjoying in the snow. So just look at here, we wear woolen clothes during winter season. Which type of clothes they wear? Just look at here, hat, muffler, sweater, है ना, woolen socks, shoes. So what type? These are woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes during winter season. And student, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter season? Because they keep us warm. They keep us warm. And we wear sweaters, jackets, long coats, woolen socks and mufflers and hats also. Okay, this is about winter season. Beta, I have already explained this chapter in our previous lectures. This time I am revising again. I know you all are not watching the daily videos, so please watch the videos daily, because on the basis of videos we all are conducting tests in online. Okay, so please just watch the videos and be ready for your test. Next picture is of rainy season. Just look at here, raining is there, raincoat, she is wearing raincoat, she is having umbrella. So in the rainy season we wear a raincoat to keep ourselves dry. Dry means you know na, then we can protect from rain. Okay, so in the rainy season we wear raincoat to keep ourselves dry. We also take an umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain. Okay, so today we have discussed about the three seasons: summer season, winter season and rainy season. So on the basis of this, just look at here different kinds of clothes. Just look at here: soldier, firefighter, astronaut, pilot, football player, lawyer. Each person, every person, those who are working, the people, so they have a special dress that is called a uniform. That is called uniform. What is uniform? Uniform are special dresses people wear when they go to work. जब people कहाँ जाते हैं, work करने जाते हैं, they have to wear special dress that is called uniform. Like doctor wear doctor dress, so it is called doctor uniform. Pilot, football. And now you are a student. It's a very good example for you. You are a student and you are going out from your house to take the study, to study na. So you wear uniforms, so it is a special dress for you for students. So uniform are special dresses people wear when they go to work. We can tell the kind of work a person does by looking at his her uniform. It means we can identify their work to looking his or her uniform. हम उनकी यूनिफॉर्म देख के हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि वो क्या वर्क करते हैं. So student, watch these videos and I will ask you question based on this video. Okay, just goodbye and do study and watch the videos and have fun.